Welcome to Bayfield Training's Excel Tips videos. In today's video, we will explain how to use the Excel function hstack to stack the ranges or arrays horizontally. Let's understand this with an example. In this spreadsheet, we have three tables: Table 1, Table 2, and Table 3 on different worksheets. We want to stack these tables horizontally on a single worksheet. Therefore, open a new worksheet. At B2, type equals hstack open bracket. Go to worksheet Table 1 and select the whole table. Type a comma. Select Table 2. Type a comma. Select Table 3. Type close bracket and press Enter. Voila! All three tables are stacked horizontally. Now you can change the table ranges colors and make the titles bold for better visuals. Happy learning! Follow us on our social media platforms to learn more about our Excel tips. And for more information about our executive education courses, visit our website www.bayfieldtraining.com.